Welcome back to Curious Atlas. Today, we dive deep into one of the most perplexing mysteries of our time. This is the story of Maura Murray, a 21-year-old nursing student whose sudden disappearance in 2004 has left investigators and the public grasping for answers. On the evening of February 9, 2004, Maura Murray's car was found crashed along a desolate road in New Hampshire. She has not been seen since. Join us as we unravel the details of this haunting case. Maura Murray was a bright, dedicated student at the University of Massachusetts Amherst. Known for her ambition and determination, she was pursuing a career in nursing. However, beneath the surface, Maura's life was far more complex than it appeared. Maura was always driven. She balanced her studies, athletics, and social life with apparent ease. But like many, she had her struggles. On February 9, 2004, Maura emailed her professors, stating she had to leave due to a family emergency. However, no such emergency existed. She withdrew $280 from an ATM, purchased alcohol, and began a journey north. At approximately 7:27 p.m., her car was found crashed on Route 1 and 12 near Woodsville, New Hampshire. Authorities quickly arrived at the scene, but Maura was nowhere to be found. Her car contained a few personal items, including a packed bag, a book on mountain climbing, and the alcohol she had purchased earlier that day. Over the years, numerous theories have emerged. Some suggest Maura staged her disappearance to escape her life. Others believe she fell victim to foul play shortly after her car accident. Despite extensive investigations, none of these theories have been substantiated. Maura's disappearance has deeply affected her family and friends. Her father, Fred Murray, has tirelessly pursued every lead, holding vigils and press conferences to keep her case in the public eye. The disappearance of Murray remains one of the most haunting unsolved mysteries. If you have any information that could help solve this case, please call the New Hampshire State Police or the FBI.